In this video, we're diving deep into 3 passive income side hustles that could potentially earn you $5,000 per month while you sleep. That's right. You could be making money even while you're catching those Z's. Now, you know I'm all about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, and passive income is the absolute key. It's about creating income streams that don't require constant work, freeing up your time and allowing you to live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up to notifications of money hitting your account, all from businesses that practically run themselves. That's the power of passive income, and in this video, we're exploring 3 incredible opportunities to make it happen. The best part, these side hustles don't require a ton of upfront investment. We're talking about strategies that are accessible to almost anyone willing to put in the work and build something truly amazing. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, one passive income stream at a time. The first side hustle we're diving into is the ATM business. Now, you might be thinking, ATMs? Really? But trust me, there's serious passive income potential here. Think about it. Every time someone withdraws cash from an ATM, a small fee is charged. As the ATM owner, you get a cut of that fee. It's like having a tiny little money-making machine working for you 24/7. The beauty of this business is its simplicity. You're providing a service that people need, access to cash, and you're getting paid for it. No inventory, no customer service headaches, just pure passive income. Now let's talk about the costs involved in setting up your ATM empire. First, you'll need to purchase or lease the ATMs themselves. Prices can vary depending on the model and features, but you can expect to spend anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per machine. Next, you'll need to find suitable locations for your ATMs. High-traffic areas like gas stations, convenience stores, and bars are ideal. You'll need to negotiate rent with the business owner, which can range from a few $100s to over $1,000 per month, depending on the location and foot traffic. Then there are operational costs like cash loading, insurance, and maintenance. Cash loading involves regularly replenishing the ATMs with cash, while insurance protects you against theft or damage. Maintenance ensures your ATMs are in good working order. These costs can add up to a few $100s per month, depending on the number of ATMs you own and their locations. Finding the right locations for your ATMs is crucial for maximizing your earnings. You want to place them in high-traffic areas where people are likely to need cash. Think about it. When do you usually find yourself needing cash? Convenience stores, gas stations, bars, and restaurants are all prime examples of high-traffic locations. But don't limit yourself to these traditional spots. Think outside the box. Consider places like laundromats, hair salons, or even tattoo parlors. The key is to find businesses that attract a steady stream of customers who might need some quick cash. Once you've identified potential locations, it's time to approach the business owners and negotiate a deal. Offer them a percentage of the surcharge revenue generated by the ATM or a fixed monthly rent. Now, the question everyone's been waiting for: how much can you actually make from owning ATMs? Well, the earning potential is directly tied to the volume of transactions and the surcharge fee you set. On average, ATM owners earn around $6 to $10 per transaction. So if your ATM processes 10 transactions per day, that's $60 to $100 in daily revenue. Multiply that by 30 days in a month, and you're looking at a potential income of $1,800 to $3,000 per month per machine. Of course, these are just estimates, and your actual earnings will depend on various factors like location, foot traffic, and surcharge fees. But the potential is there to generate significant passive income from this often overlooked side hustle. Once your ATMs are up and running, it's essential to manage your business effectively to maximize profits and minimize headaches. This includes regularly monitoring your machines, ensuring they're stocked with cash, and addressing any technical issues promptly. You'll also want to keep track of your income and expenses, just like any other business. This will help you identify areas for improvement and ensure you're running a profitable operation. Consider using ATM management software to streamline these tasks and gain valuable insights into your business performance. Remember, the more efficiently you manage your ATM business, the more passive income you'll generate. And with the right approach, this side hustle can become a lucrative venture that requires minimal effort on your part. Now let's move on to our second passive income stream, the Amazon KDP side hustle. This one's all about tapping into the massive potential of self-publishing on Amazon, a platform that has revolutionized the way we think about publishing. But here's the twist. We're not talking about writing full-blown novels or lengthy manuscripts. We're talking about low-content books, a niche that's been gaining popularity for its simplicity and profitability. These are books with minimal or no text, often featuring things like journals, planners, coloring books, or even just blank pages with a cool design. They cater to a wide range of interests and needs. The beauty of low-content books is that they're incredibly easy and inexpensive to create, making them an ideal project for beginners and seasoned creators alike. You don't need to be a writing whiz or spend hours agonizing over plot lines. Instead, you can focus on creativity and design. Low-content books come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, offering endless possibilities for customization. Think about those journals you see at bookstores with prompts like, "What are you grateful for?" or "Write down your goals for the year." Those are low-content books. They provide value without requiring extensive content. Then there are coloring books for both kids and adults, puzzle books like Sudoku or crosswords, and even recipe books where people can jot down their favorite dishes. The variety is truly remarkable. The possibilities are practically endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be a design guru to create them. With the right tools, anyone can do it. There are tons of free and affordable design tools available online, and you can even find pre-made templates to get you started. These resources make the process straightforward and accessible. Creating your own low-content books is easier than you might think. With a bit of creativity and the right approach, you can produce something unique and appealing. First, you need to choose a niche. This is crucial as it determines your target audience and the type of content you'll create. What are people passionate about? What hobbies or interests do they have that you can tap into? What kind of journals or planners would they find valuable? Consider their needs and preferences. Once you've got your niche, it's time to brainstorm content ideas. Think creatively and consider what would make your book stand out. Think about the problems your target audience might be facing or the goals they're trying to achieve. Your book should offer a solution or a way to help them reach their objectives. Then, design your book using a tool like Canva or Adobe InDesign. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of design options. You can find tons of free templates and design elements online, or you can create your own from scratch. The choice is yours, and the flexibility is a huge advantage. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to format your book for Amazon KDP. This step ensures that your book meets Amazon's requirements and looks professional. Now that your low-content books are live on Amazon, it's time to get the word out and start generating those passive income streams. Marketing is key to reaching your audience. The key to success with Amazon KDP is visibility. You want your books to be easily found by potential customers. You want to make sure your books are showing up in relevant search results so that potential customers can find them. This increases your chances of making sales. One of the most effective ways to boost visibility is through keyword optimization. This involves researching and using the right keywords. When someone searches for a specific type of journal or planner on Amazon, you want your book to appear at the top of the results. This is where keyword optimization comes into play. By researching relevant keywords and incorporating them into your book's title, description, and back-end metadata, you can significantly increase your chances of getting found. This is a crucial step in your marketing strategy. The beauty of the Amazon KDP side hustle is that once you've created and uploaded your books, they can continue to generate passive income for months or even years to come. It's a long-term investment. Every time someone purchases one of your books, you earn a royalty. This can add up over time, providing a steady stream of income. The royalty rate varies depending on the price of your book and the royalty option you choose, but it can be a significant percentage of the sale price. Understanding these options can help you maximize your earnings. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger once your book is live. You don't have to lift a finger. Your work is done and you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Amazon handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service, leaving you free to focus on creating more low-content masterpieces or simply enjoying your newfound passive income. It's a win-win situation. All right, let's dive into our third passive income stream, the digital billboard business. This is an exciting and innovative way to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. You know those giant LED screens you see everywhere from highways to shopping malls? They're becoming increasingly popular and are hard to miss. Those are digital billboards, and they can be serious cash cows. They offer a modern twist on traditional advertising methods. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, billboards, isn't that a bit old school? Not at all. In fact, digital billboards are revolutionizing the advertising industry. Digital billboards are like the cool, tech-savvy younger sibling of traditional billboards. They bring a new level of engagement and interactivity. They're eye-catching, dynamic, and offer incredible flexibility for advertisers, which translates to a lucrative opportunity for you. Advertisers love the ability to change their message quickly and easily. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for effective ways to get their message in front of potential customers. Digital billboards provide a perfect solution. Digital billboards offer that prime real estate, and as the billboard owner, you get to collect that sweet, sweet rent every single month without lifting a finger once it's set up, of course. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. We'll get into all that in a bit. But first, let's understand the basics. So, how do you get started with this passive income powerhouse? It might seem daunting, but it's quite manageable. Let's break it down step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know. The first step is acquiring your very own digital billboard. This is the foundation of your new business venture. Now, I know this sounds intimidating and potentially expensive, but hear me out. There are ways to make it more accessible. You don't need to start with a massive billboard overlooking Times Square. Smaller local billboards can be just as effective. You can actually lease existing billboards from billboard companies or even individuals who already own them. This can be a cost-effective way to get started. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry, allowing you to dip your toes into the digital billboard game without breaking the bank. It's a smart way to test the waters. Another option is to explore smaller, more affordable digital billboards. These can be found in various locations. Think about local businesses, community centers, or even gas stations. These places often have high foot traffic. These locations might not have the same glitz and glamour as a Times Square billboard, but they can still generate a steady stream of passive income. It's all about location and visibility. Remember, it's all about starting small and scaling up as your business grows. Patience and persistence are key. You can always reinvest your profits into acquiring larger, more prominent digital billboards down the line. This will help you grow your business steadily. Once you've secured your digital billboard, it's time to find advertisers who are eager to showcase their message on your prime real estate. This is where the real fun begins. The good news is there's no shortage of businesses looking for effective advertising channels. Your digital billboard can be their perfect solution. Start by targeting local businesses in your area. They are often looking for new ways to reach their customers. Think restaurants, retail stores, gyms, salons. The possibilities are endless. Each type of business has unique advertising needs. You can reach out to them directly, showcase the benefits of advertising on your digital billboard, and negotiate competitive rates. Personal connections can make a big difference. Don't underestimate the power of online platforms either. They can help you reach a wider audience. Websites and platforms dedicated to connecting billboard owners with advertisers can significantly expand your reach and attract potential clients from all over. This can be a game changer for your business. Remember, the key is to highlight the unique advantages of your billboard's location, visibility, and target audience. These factors will make your billboard more attractive to advertisers. The more compelling your pitch, the easier it'll be to secure advertisers and start generating that passive income. A well-crafted presentation can make all the difference. Now, you might be wondering, Graham, this all sounds great, but what about the day-to-day management? It's a valid concern. Well, that's the beauty of the digital billboard business. It's incredibly low maintenance. Once set up, it requires minimal intervention. Once you have your billboard set up and advertisers locked in, the system pretty much runs itself. Automation is your best friend here. You'll receive automated payments from your advertisers each month, and the billboard company typically handles the technical aspects like maintenance and software updates. This makes your life much easier. Of course, there will be some minimal upkeep involved, like renewing contracts with advertisers, adjusting pricing as needed, and occasionally troubleshooting any technical hiccups. But these tasks are manageable. But compared to other side hustles, the time commitment is minimal. You can manage this business alongside your other ventures. The key is to streamline your operations as much as possible. Efficiency is crucial for success. Utilize online tools for managing contracts, invoicing, and communication with advertisers. These tools can save you a lot of time and effort. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on scaling your digital billboard empire. Growth should always be on your mind. As your digital billboard business gains traction and generates a steady stream of passive income, you can start thinking about scaling your portfolio. Expansion is the next logical step. Remember that snowball effect we always talk about? It applies here too. Small efforts can lead to big results over time. Reinvest a portion of your profits into acquiring or leasing additional digital billboards in strategic locations. This will help you grow your business exponentially. The more billboards you own, the more advertising space you have to offer, and the higher your earning potential becomes. It's a scalable business model. Consider expanding to different types of digital billboards as well. Diversity can be a strength. Explore billboards in high-traffic areas like highways, busy intersections, or near popular shopping centers. These locations can offer high visibility. Each location attracts a different demographic, allowing you to cater to a wider range of advertisers. This can increase your revenue streams. And don't forget about the power of networking. Building relationships can open new opportunities. Connect with other billboard owners, attend industry events, and stay informed about the latest trends in digital advertising. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make strategic decisions that will maximize your profits. Stay proactive and keep learning. There you have it. 3 incredible passive income side hustles that have the potential to generate $5,000 per month or more, allowing you to achieve financial freedom and design your dream life. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't let these ideas just sit in your head. Choose one that resonates with you. Start small and scale up as you gain experience and build your income streams. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want more tips on building passive income streams, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on building the life you deserve.